काल आपण बघितलं स्केलर प्रोडक्ट और डॉट प्रोडक्ट, दॅट मीन्स ए बार डॉट बी बार. आज आपण बघणार आहे व्हेक्टर प्रोडक्ट और क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट. म्हणजे व्हेक्टर प्रोडक्टला आपण काय म्हणतो, क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट असेही म्हणतो. सो व्हेक्टर क्रॉस व्हेक्टर म्हणजे या ठिकाणी आपण काय करणार आहे, दोन व्हेक्टरचा क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट घेणार आहे. व्हेक्टर क्रॉस व्हेक्टर. सो जो रिझल्टंट असणार आहे तो का असणार आहे, अनदर व्हेक्टर. म्हणजे दोन व्हेक्टरचा क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट घेतला तर आपला जो रिझल्टंट भेटणार आहे क्वांटिटी ती का असणार आहे, व्हेक्टर क्वांटिटी असणार आहे. कन्सिडर ए बार and b bar are two vectors. Then cross product of a bar and b bar is given by a bar cross b bar, so equal to c bar. That means cross product of two vectors gives another vector, and a bar cross b bar equal to magnitude of a bar into magnitude of b bar, sine of angle between these two vectors, and n cap. So this complete quantity is a vector quantity which has a magnitude modulus of a bar into modulus of b bar sin theta, and direction n cap. N cap is unit vector along that direction of vector. So further we will see properties of vector product. First property, vector product doesn't obey commutative law. That is a bar cross b bar equal to minus b bar cross a bar. So direction of resultant vector is given by right hand rule. Simply consider here two vectors a bar and b bar, angle is theta. So theta is from a to b. So by right hand rule the final vector is given by, in the direction a to b, turn your fingers. So direction of thumb gives the resultant vector's direction, so which is perpendicular to these two vectors. Now this is called as a bar cross b bar. Now b bar cross a bar, this is a bar, this is b bar. So we will take angle from b bar to a bar. So by right hand rule turn the fingers from b to b bar to a bar. So direction of thumb is opposite side. So direction of resultant vector is in opposite direction, that means minus n cap, here n cap. So that means a bar cross b bar equal to minus B bar cross A bar. This proves that vector product doesn't obey commutative law. Second one, vector product obeys distributive law, that is A bar cross B bar plus C bar is given by A bar cross B bar plus A bar cross C bar, or A bar plus B bar cross C bar is given by A bar cross C bar plus B bar cross C bar. Third one, cross product of orthogonal unit vectors, that is x, y, z. Here I cap, here j cap, here k cap. So I cap cross I cap, so which is given by modulus of I cap into modulus of I cap into sine of theta, so direction of I cap. So here sine theta, theta is 90 degree, theta equal to 90, so theta equal to 0 degree. So I cap आणि I cap मधील अँगल किती आहे 0 डिग्री, तो साइन 0, साइन 0 0. So I cap cross I cap equal to 0. Similarly J cap cross J cap equal to 0, K cap cross K cap equal to 0. That means cross product of a vector with itself gives the value 0. Now I cap cross J cap, so I cap cross J cap given by modulus of I cap modulus of J cap into sine 90, because angle between I cap and J cap is 90 degree and the direction is given by right hand rule. So from I cap to J cap, so which is given by K cap, so this will given by I cap cross J cap equal to, this is 1, this is 1 and this is 1 into K cap. So 1 into 1 into 1 1, so 1 into K cap K cap. So I cap cross J cap equal to 1. Similarly J cap cross K cap equal to 1 and K cap cross I cap equal to 1. So I cap J cap K cap, so cross equal to K cap, this cross equal to J cap and this cross equal to J cap with the I cap. So I cap cross J cap K cap, J cap cross K cap I cap, so K cap cross I cap J cap. Fourth property is, if A bar is given by Cartesian coordinate system ax I cap plus ay j cap plus az k cap and B bar is given by Bx I cap plus By J cap plus Bz K cap. Then A bar cross B bar is given by A bar cross B bar equal to determinant I cap J cap K cap into Ax Ay Az Bx By Bz. So A bar cross B bar is given by determinant I cap J cap K cap Ax Ay Az Bx By Bz. And fifth one, if A bar and B bar are parallel to each other, then A bar cross B bar equal to 0. Here A bar cross B bar equal to modulus of A bar into modulus of B bar sine of 0 and n cap. But sine 0 ची व्हॅल्यू किती असते? Sine 0 equal to 0. So that means 0 into something is 0. A bar cross B bar equal to 0. Now we will find angle between two vectors. So A bar cross B bar equal to modulus of A bar into modulus of B bar sin theta n cap. Now I want to find out the magnitude of cross product, which is given by modulus of A bar cross B bar. So which is given by modulus of A bar into modulus of B bar sin theta. So here sin theta is given by modulus of A bar cross B bar. आता या ठिकाणी modulus of A bar and modulus of B bar मल्टिप्लिकेशन आहे. सो ह्या साईडला गेल्यानंतर कसं होणार? modulus of A bar cross B bar डिवाइड बाय modulus of A bar इंटू modulus of B bar. आपल्याला कशाची व्हॅल्यू पाहिजे आहे? थीटाची. सो थीटा इक्वल टू साइन इनवर्स modulus of A bar modulus of A bar cross B bar divided by modulus of A bar into modulus of B bar. Now we will see problems. First one, if A bar cross B bar equal to 0, then show that A bar is parallel to B bar. So A bar cross B bar equal to 0. So A bar cross B bar is given by modulus of A bar modulus of B bar sin theta n cap. Here modulus of A bar is not equal to 0, modulus of B bar is not equal to 0, n cap is not equal to 0. So by comparing these two equations, we will get sin theta equal to 0. So थीटाच्या अशा कोणत्या व्हॅल्यूला sin theta 0 असतो? So theta equal to 0 degree or 180 degree. That means these two vectors, if theta is equal to 0 or 180 degree, that gives A bar is parallel to B bar. Now another example is a bar cross b bar modulus square plus square of modulus a bar dot b bar equal to modulus square a modulus square b. So which is given by a bar cross b bar modulus square plus a bar dot b bar modulus square. So this is given by modulus of a modulus of b sin theta याचा square plus a bar dot b bar modulus square is given by a bar into b bar cos theta ब्रॅकेट स्क्वेअर. सो यामधून कॉमन काय निघू शकतं, मॉड्युलस ऑफ ए पहिल्यांदा आपण हे सॉल्व करू. सो मॉड्युलस ऑफ ए बार स्क्वेअर मॉड्युलस ऑफ बी बार स्क्वेअर साइन स्क्वेअर थीटा प्लस ए बार मॉड्युलसचा स्क्वेअर बी बार मॉड्युलसचा स्क्वेअर कॉस स्क्वेअर थीटा. या दोन्हीतून मॉड्युलस स्क्वेअर ए बार मॉड्युलस स्क्वेअर बी बार कॉमन निघू शकतं. सो आपण ते बाहेर काढू. राहिलं काय, साइन स्क्वेअर थीटा प्लस कॉस स्क्वेअर थीटा. सो ह्याची व्हॅल्यू किती असते, 1 असते. सो राहिलं काय, मॉड्युलस ऑफ ए बार स्क्वेअर मॉड्युलस ऑफ बी बार स्क्वेअर. हेन्स प्रूफ. Another problem is if a equal to a1 I cap plus a2 j cap plus a3 k cap and b bar equal to b1 I cap plus b2 j cap plus b3 k cap, then prove that a bar cross b bar equal to I cap j cap k cap a1 a2 a3 b1 b2 b3. So simply a bar cross b bar equal to a1 I cap plus a2 j cap plus a3 k cap cross b1 I cap plus b2 j cap plus b3 k cap. Here we know that I cap cross I cap equal to 0, j cap cross j cap equal to 0, k cap cross k cap equal to 0, I cap cross j cap equal to k cap, j cap cross k cap equal to I cap, and k cap cross I cap equal to j cap. So now we will write a1 I cap cross b1 I cap plus b2 j cap plus b3 k cap plus a2 j cap into cross b1 I cap plus b2 j cap plus b3 k cap plus a3 k cap cross b1 I cap plus b2 j cap plus b3 k cap. Now a1 I cap cross b1 I cap, so I cap cross I cap 0, so that term will get cancelled, that means 0. So a1 I cap cross b2 j cap means a1 b2 a3 b1 minus a1 b3 j cap plus a1 b2 minus a2 b1 k cap. So here we will make some adjustment. So a2 b3 minus a3 b2 I cap plus minus, this term will come first, a1 b3 minus a3 b1 j cap plus a1 b2 minus a2 b1 k cap, and which is given by determinant I cap j cap k cap a1 a2 a3 b1 b2 b3, hence proof. Now we will see some example on cross product. So consider a bar equal to two I cap minus 3 j cap minus k cap, and b bar equal to I cap plus 4 j cap minus 2 k cap. Then a bar cross b bar equal to, so which is given by a bar cross b bar equal to I cap j cap k cap two minus 3 minus 1, here 1 4 minus 2. So first I cap into minus 3 into minus 2 6 minus 4 into minus 1 minus minus plus plus 4 plus minus j cap, that means minus 2 into 2 minus 4, 1 into minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 means plus 1 plus k cap four into 2 8 minus 1 into minus 3 minus minus plus plus 3, so which is given by 10 I cap minus 4 plus 1 minus 3, so minus minus plus plus 3 j cap plus 11 k cap. So cross product of these two vector is given by another vector which is given by 10 I cap plus 3 j cap plus 11 k cap.